Welcome to A Rifleman's Dream. Let's talk about the Sig Sauer SSG 3000, a rifle that whispers quality. It's a bolt-action sniper rifle, built for accuracy and favored by elite military and law enforcement. This is a tool for professionals. It's not for the faint of heart. It demands respect and requires skill, but in the right hands, it's a weapon of unparalleled precision. The SSG 3000 is a testament to German engineering, reliable, robust, and deadly accurate. Truly a rifleman's dream. Now let's dive into the specifications of the Sig Sauer SSG 3000, engineered for precision. This rifle is chambered for 7.62 by 51 mm NATO, a powerful and long-range round. The rifle itself is no lightweight, weighing around 13 pounds without optics. With a barrel length of 23.6 inches, it provides excellent muzzle velocity, and its effective range is over 800 meters. That's over half a mile. The magazine holds 5 rounds, enough for the task at hand. Every component is built to exacting standards, resulting in a rifle that performs flawlessly. In our final section, we explore how the Sig Sauer SSG 3000 redefines accuracy. Known for its precision, it's capable of sub-MOA groups. That's less than 1 inch at 100 yards. This rifle is a tack driver. The bolt is smooth, the trigger is crisp, and every shot feels effortless. The manageable recoil allows for quick follow-up shots. The SSG 3000 is a joy to shoot, a rifle that inspires confidence and delivers results. The SSG 3000 is used by Indian security forces. It's a valuable tool for counter-terrorism, providing long-range accuracy that is crucial in urban environments. The rifle has proven itself in the field. It's reliable and effective. But there are challenges. Corruption can hinder its deployment, and proper training is essential. The SSG 3000 has a role to play in India's security, but it's only as good as the hands that wield it. The Sig Sauer SSG 3000, a rifle that embodies precision and a legacy of German engineering. It's a tool for skilled professionals, a rifle that demands respect and rewards those who master it. The SSG 3000 is more than just a weapon. It's a symbol of accuracy, a testament to the pursuit of perfection.